Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to transfer crypto to Exodus. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to set up and access your Exodus wallet. Okay? So once you've done that, just go ahead and obtain the Exodus wallet address. So in your Exodus wallet, locate the wallet address for the cryptocurrency you want to receive from crypto. This is typically found in the wallet's receive or assets section. Copy the wallet address or use the provided QR code. Now sign into your crypto account. Open your web browser and go to crypto.com website. Sign in your crypto account using registered email address and password. Access the withdrawal section. So once logged in, navigate to the withdraw or send section on crypto.com. The location of this section may vary depending on the crypto interface. Now select the cryptocurrency to transfer. So choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer from crypto.com to your Exodus wallet. Make sure you have a sufficient balance of that cryptocurrency in your crypto wallet. Enter the withdrawal details. So provide the withdrawal details for the transfer. This includes pasting the Exodus wallet address you obtained in the previous step. Double check the address to avoid any errors. Now specify the transfer amount. So enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to transfer from crypto.com to your Exodus wallet. Take into account any withdrawal fees imposed by crypto.com as this will be deducted from the transfer amount. Now just go ahead and confirm the withdrawal. Review all the withdrawal details, including the recipient's address and transfer amount. If everything appears accurate, confirm the withdrawal request. Verify the withdrawal through any required confirmation step, such as email verification or entering a code. Now wait for the transfer to complete. After initiating the withdrawal from crypto, you will need to wait for the transaction to be confirmed and processed. So this time can vary depending on the blockchain network and the chosen cryptocurrency. Monitor your crypto account for any updates on the withdrawal status. Verify the transfer in your Exodus wallet. So once the transfer is confirmed and processed, you should see the cryptocurrency balance reflected in your Exodus wallet. So check the transaction history or wallet balance in your Exodus wallet to confirm the successful transfer. So please note that the specific step may vary slightly depending on the crypto interface and any additional security measures in place. So always double check the recipient wallet address and ensure you are using the correct address to avoid any potential loss of funds. Okay? And that is how you transfer cryptocurrency from crypto.com to your Exodus wallet. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.